What if I told you that a simple spice sitting in your kitchen right now could be more powerful than some prescription medications? And what if the most incredible benefits of turmeric are the ones the health industry doesn't want you to know about? Stay with me, because what you're about to discover will completely change how you see this golden miracle. I'm about to reveal 5 hidden benefits of turmeric that go far beyond what you've heard about inflammation and joint pain. These are scientifically proven effects that could transform your health in ways you never imagined. But here's the thing. There's a specific way you need to use turmeric to unlock these secret powers, and most people are doing it completely wrong. Before we dive into these life-changing discoveries, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because I share health secrets like this every week that could save you thousands in medical bills. Let me start with something that happened to my friend Sarah just 6 months ago. She was struggling with brain fog so severe that she couldn't remember conversations from the day before. Her doctor wanted to put her on medication, but Sarah decided to try something different. She started taking turmeric in a very specific way that I'll reveal later in this video, and within 3 weeks, her mental clarity was better than it had been in years. But this isn't just Sarah's story. This is backed by groundbreaking research that most doctors never learned in medical school. You see, turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, but here's what they don't tell you. Curcumin is just the tip of the iceberg. There are over 300 chemical compounds in turmeric working together in ways that scientists are only beginning to understand. And when you unlock these synergistic effects, something remarkable happens to your body. The most incredible discovery that nobody talks about is turmeric's ability to literally rewire your brain. Recent studies from UCLA show that curcumin can actually promote the growth of new brain cells, something scientists thought was impossible until recently. Participants who took curcumin daily showed significant improvements in memory tests and had measurably thicker brain tissue in areas responsible for learning and memory. But here's the catch, and this is crucial. This only works if you take turmeric with a specific combination that increases absorption by 2,000%. I'll tell you exactly what that is in just a moment. But first, let me share another hidden benefit that could save your life. While everyone talks about turmeric for joint pain, almost nobody mentions its powerful effect on your cardiovascular system. A landmark study published in the American Journal of Cardiology found that curcumin was as effective as exercise in improving the function of blood vessel walls. Think about that. A spice performing as well as a full workout program for your heart health. The participants who took curcumin daily showed the same improvements in arterial function as those who did intense cardio 3 times a week. Now, if you're finding this valuable, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps more people discover these health secrets. What I'm about to tell you next is perhaps the most shocking discovery of all. Turmeric has been shown to selectively target and destroy cancer cells, while leaving healthy cells completely untouched. The MD Anderson Cancer Center conducted multiple studies showing that curcumin can induce cancer cell death in multiple types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and colon cancer. But here's what's truly remarkable. It does this through at least 8 different pathways, making it nearly impossible for cancer cells to develop resistance. This is why some oncologists are quietly recommending turmeric to their patients, even though they can't officially prescribe it. But wait, there's something even more incredible coming up that involves your liver, and why turmeric might be the ultimate detox solution your body has been craving. This next benefit revolutionizes everything we know about liver health and detoxification. Your liver processes over 500 functions every single day, and modern life bombards it with toxins from processed foods, environmental pollutants, and stress hormones. Turmeric doesn't just protect your liver, it actually enhances its ability to produce glutathione, your body's master antioxidant. Research from the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry shows that people who take turmeric daily have glutathione levels that are up to 300% higher than those who don't. This means your body becomes a detoxification powerhouse, naturally eliminating toxins that have been stored in your tissues for years. Now here's where it gets really interesting, and why timing matters so much with turmeric consumption. The most surprising benefit involves your body's ability to regulate blood sugar naturally. A study involving over 240 pre-diabetic participants found that those who took curcumin daily were 100% successful in preventing the progression to full diabetes over a 9-month period. Not a single participant in the curcumin group developed diabetes, while 16% of the control group did. This isn't just about blood sugar. Curcumin actually improves insulin sensitivity at the cellular level, essentially teaching your cells how to use glucose more efficiently. But here's the secret that ties all of these benefits together, and why most people never experience them. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has extremely poor bioavailability. Your body absorbs less than 1% of the curcumin you consume in regular turmeric powder. This is why so many people try turmeric and don't see results. But there's a simple solution that increases absorption by up to 2,000%. The secret is black pepper, specifically a compound called piperine. When you combine turmeric with just a pinch of black pepper, the piperine inhibits the liver enzymes that normally break down curcumin before it can reach your bloodstream. Additionally, taking turmeric with a healthy fat like coconut oil or olive oil further enhances absorption because curcumin is fat-soluble. Here's the exact protocol that research shows is most effective. Take 1 teaspoon of high-quality turmeric powder with a pinch of freshly ground black pepper and a tablespoon of coconut oil, preferably with a meal to aid digestion. Do this twice daily for maximum benefit. But timing matters too. The most recent research suggests taking your morning dose to support brain function throughout the day, and your evening dose to support overnight cellular repair and liver detoxification. Now, I need to share an important warning. Turmeric is incredibly powerful, and like any powerful compound, it can interact with certain medications. If you're taking blood thinners, diabetes medications, or have gallstones, you should consult with your healthcare provider before starting a turmeric regimen. Also, some people may experience stomach irritation if they take turmeric on an empty stomach, so always take it with food. So remember, turmeric literally grows new brain cells and improves memory. It provides the cardiovascular benefits equivalent to regular exercise. It selectively targets and destroys cancer cells through multiple pathways. It supercharges your liver's detoxification abilities by boosting glutathione production. And it prevents diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity at the cellular level. The key to unlocking all of these benefits is proper absorption, combining turmeric with black pepper and healthy fats, and taking it consistently twice daily. If you found this information valuable, I need you to do 3 things right now. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss content that could transform your health. Share this video with someone who needs to know about turmeric's hidden powers. And let me know in the comments which of these benefits surprised you the most. Next week, I'm revealing the truth about another common spice that has even more powerful health benefits than turmeric and why the pharmaceutical industry is desperately trying to synthesize its active compounds. You won't want to miss that, so make sure you're subscribed. Remember, your health is your wealth, and sometimes the most powerful medicines are hiding right in your kitchen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll uncover even more health secrets that could change your life forever.